Hello and welcome to my easy cooking kitchen. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Today we'll be making a really simple and delicious salad. Well, a Spanish style broad bean salad to be exact. So here's what you'll need. I used a jar of pre-grilled and pre-peeled bell peppers, which you can buy in any supermarket. And you can also use red wine vinegar instead of the apple cider one. Fill a pot with water, add some salt and heat it up. Or just boil some on the kettle. Then just add the frozen beans, yeah, even that one that tried to get away. Mix it around a bit, cover and let it cook for about 3 minutes. Since these are small beans, there is no need to peel the skin off, you can just eat it as is. While the beans are cooking, let's roast our almonds using a griddle pan. Just toss them in there, move them around a bit, and roast them for a couple of minutes. Let's give them a final toss and then set them aside to cool off for a bit. Now we'll be using the pan for our peppers. Just listen. I flipped mine, just to hit the other side as well, and I noticed that mine didn't char enough, so I left them on a bit longer. Now that's what I was looking for. What we do next is just slice them into stripes and set aside. This is the not so charred pepper, but we still love it and we'll use it in our salad. Now it's time to go nuts on those almonds. Slice, dice, crush or whatever you feel like doing to them. Just make sure they don't fly all over the place. The final stage of our prep is cutting the parsley stalks from the leaves and thinly slicing them. We'll use the leaves later on. You'll want to use a sharp knife, so that's why I changed mine. And once again, it's not a chef's knife. Now for the assembly. Place the bell peppers on the plate, all of them. Add the beans, then the almonds, and of course our chopped parsley stalks. pour some apple cider vinegar and extra virgin olive oil, about a tablespoon of each. Add your salt and pepper and mix well. Remember those leaves? Now it's time to use them. Spread as many as you like on your salad. And now to complete the dish, just use a peeler to slice the cheese and arrange it to look appetizing. As you can see, I was struggling a bit, but finally I got the hang of it. And there you have it, our amazing salad is done. Now all that's left is to dig in and enjoy it. My family loved it, but comment below and tell me if you liked it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe and share it with your friends. You can also follow this channel on social media, but most importantly, bon appetit!